surrounded by plants right here, and every single one of them someday is going to die. So if plants are dying all the time, why aren't we surrounded by tons of dead plants all the time? Take 7 seconds right now to think in your head, why do you think we're not completely surrounded by a bunch of dead stuff all the time? Okay, put your finger on your nose if you thought of decomposers. Decomposers are living things all around us that make sure we're not surrounded by dead stuff all the time. They break down things into smaller and smaller bits. We're going to explore some of the decomposers that we can find here at Foothill Horizons in our worm bin. So, inside our worm bin, we have all these amazing living organisms that can decompose dead plant material. So we have this right here. All these other decomposers living in here. What we can do is we can take our slimy and old lettuce that we have, and we can go ahead and give it to these decomposers to break down into wonderful soil for our garden. So these organisms, they're going to take all the nutrients from this lettuce here and they're going to break it down, and that way they can continue to live and it will give us soil. And that's exactly what's happening around us in our ecosystems here with trees and other types of plants. At Foothill Horizons, we have a club that you can join called the Kiss the Worm Club. Margaret and I are going to join the club. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So right here we have a dead tree in nature. And I was thinking we could see if we could find any of those decomposers that we just saw inside of this bark. So underneath this bark where they would be decomposing this tree for us. Let's see if we can find any critters underneath here. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Lots of ants here. And we have a little bit of fungus right here, so a mushroom. That also helps decompose. Another decomposer we see all over the place is fungus. So right here we've got fungus growing on one of our chairs here at Foothill Horizons. And take a look around for fungus near you, because it sprouts up in all sorts of places, especially after rain. You can find decomposers in your own backyard. I encourage you to look underneath leaves, look underneath dead logs, and see if you can find any of these living things that we found today here at Foothill Horizons, right where you are.